Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit receiver name in Western Union. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Western Union account using the app or website. Now go to the track transfer or transaction history section and find the transaction you want to update. Select the transaction and check if the option to edit receiver name is available. Note that changes can only be made if the money hasn't been picked up yet. Enter the correct name of the receiver and submit the update request. You may be asked to provide additional verification. Once the update is processed, you will receive a confirmation and the receiver's name will be updated for the transfer. And that's it. Editing the receiver's name with Western Union is quick and easy. For further help, contact Western Union support. Thanks for watching.